In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel your Replit subscription. We'll walk through the exact screens you'll see, what each option means, and a few tips to make sure the cancellation goes through smoothly. First, sign into your Replit account. Make sure you're logged into the correct account that has the active subscription. If you manage multiple accounts, take a second to confirm you're in the right one before moving on. Once you're in, look to the top right corner of the page for your profile icon. It's usually your avatar or initial. Click that to open a small drop-down menu. From that menu, choose Account. This takes you to your account settings, where all of your personal and plan details live. On the left-hand side of the account page, you'll see a vertical menu. Click Billing. This section is where you can view your current plan, payment method, past invoices, and manage any changes to your subscription. Scroll until you find your current plan details. There you should see a button labeled Cancel Subscription. Click it. Don't worry, clicking this button won't immediately delete your account or projects. It simply starts the cancellation process for your paid plan. A pop-up window will appear with a few prompts. Read these carefully. Replit may show a summary of what changes when you cancel and when the cancellation will take effect, usually at the end of your current billing cycle. You may be asked to confirm by clicking Cancel Subscription again, and sometimes you might be asked to select a reason. Go ahead and confirm when you're ready. After confirming, wait a moment for the system to process. You should see a confirmation message on the screen, and you may receive a confirmation email as well. If you don't see a message right away, refresh the billing page to verify that your plan is set to cancel at the end of the cycle. Your account will continue to work, and your projects will remain accessible. You'll simply lose paid features once your current period ends. A quick recap: log in, click your profile icon, select Account, open billing, click Cancel Subscription on your current plan, and confirm in the pop-up. Take your time reading any notices so you know exactly when the change will take effect. That's it. You've canceled your Replit subscription carefully and correctly.